Hello everyone! Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about this shirt. I'll start off by saying that this is the first time that I've ever designed and created a t-shirt that has been available for sale for other people to buy. In the past, for my office and stuff, I've made some t-shirts I've made some t-shirt designs that were just for the people there, but this is the first one that's actually available out in a real store somewhere. But before we get into that, I want to talk a little bit about the history that's behind this shirt. So if you've been following my channel for a little while now, you probably know that I've been involved with the nonprofit organization called the FPV Freedom Coalition, or the First Person View Freedom Coalition. Rafiki, you're making a lot of noises. And the FPV Freedom Coalition exists to work with the FAA and to represent the FPV pilots of the United States. And if you'd love to know more about the FPV Freedom Coalition, make sure to go check out their website at fpvfc.org. So I was working with the FPV Freedom Coalition, and during one of the meetings, we were having a little brainstorming session to talk about slogans and catchphrases. One of the things that popped into my head was, change your view, fly FPV. And on the surface of it, flying first-person view means you're putting on goggles, you're looking through the camera of the drone, and you're literally changing your view to be that of the drone flying around in the sky. But the secondary meaning has to do with a lot of people have fears of drones. When they hear the word drone, it has sort of a negative connotation. And we feel like, in a lot of cases, a lot of the regulations and the reasons people can't fly drones is because of negative publicity and the fear people have when they hear the word drone. So what I want to do is have people put on a pair of goggles, go see what it looks like to fly a drone, and through that, change their view of drones. And hopefully in the end, that means less regulations for those of us who like to just fly our drones as toys around in the park. So how can you buy one of these awesome t-shirts? Well, glad you asked, because they're now available in the FPV Freedom Coalition store, along with a couple other designs. And if you buy any of these t-shirts, the proceeds goes to help fund the FPV Freedom Coalition. Thanks for watching.